Hi all, this is a quick walkthrough of our native plan documents feature. In this walkthrough, I will upload a PDF to create a template. I'll map data to this template, and I will use this template to send out plan documents using an approvals flow. The native plan documents feature can be accessed from the left-hand navigation pane underneath plan documents in the heading Manage Documents. The Manage Documents page is the document status and management dashboard. It's your single source of truth for tracking sent documents and monitoring approvals workflows. From here, we can go into the template creation page, so the Manage Templates page. We can go ahead and create a template. So I'm going to go ahead and drill in here. Let's go ahead and upload our file. See that we've grabbed our Solutions Engineer Compensation Plan base PDF. As soon as we upload it, renders on the left-hand panel. Let's go ahead and give our template a name. Let's give it a date, just for easy tracking. Okay, now we can give it a sample description. Let's just call it sample description here. We're going to go ahead and hit. All right, so here's where we'd map our data to our base PDF layout. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add a data field. So these data fields are sourced directly from Global Attributes worksheets. I'm just going to drag and drop my annotation over here. Employee name, I'm just going to find it in Employee Attributes. Go ahead and grab that. I'm also going to just change the font and styling a little bit here. I'm going to left align and upper align. Helvetica. There we go. I'm going to copy this annotation over, and I'm going to grab the equivalent of title. Let's call it role value for now. And I'm going to map some fields that are from other tables as well. So let me grab our total OTI. This comes from a custom global attributes table, so let me just find it. All right, and when it's a custom table, the key fields either need to map up to the employer plan attributes table, or they can be specified manually. So let me go ahead and change the font here as well. All right, there we go. So I'm going to leave this as is for now. I'm going to go ahead and pull up a template I've mapped earlier just to give you guys a sense of what it looks like when all the mappings are complete. So you can go ahead and see this PDF has been filled out completely. Go ahead and hit cancel here. So we're going to send a document now using the template we have just created. So I'm going to go to Manage Documents. I'm going to go ahead and hit Send Doc. So let's go ahead and grab the template we had just created. All right, and we're taken to a screen where we will specify the payees to generate a document to, as well as the approvals flow that we plan on using. So first things first, let's pick an effective date. This effective date represents the date at which you want the data on the document to be relevant. So let's go ahead and pick March 1st of 2026. Let's grab our Solutions Engineer Plan and Peer Group. And I'm going to select a couple of document payees. Let's go ahead and select both. Now, given the combination of effective date and plan and peer group, the payees that show up are filtered accordingly. So we've picked two of our payees that are part of the Solutions Engineer Plan and Peer Group 2026 as of March 1st, 2020. So now we've selected our payees, we can go ahead and preview our document. So let's select Bella Bixby here. And we can see that the document renders with the data that we had mapped, bearing in mind that we had only done a couple of annotations on our template. All right, we have a couple of things left to do before we send our document out. Let's add a custom email subject for our document. Let's just call this Solutions Engineer Plan ready for review. Okay. And in this document send, we're going to add an approvals flow. So for this send, let's say that we want the document payees managers to first sign off, followed by the document payee or the plan participant themselves. So quite simply, we just add two approvers. One is auto sign manager. This auto sign manager comes straight from our default hierarchy within our admin experience. And approver two is the document payee, and we can see our pay selection up here. So these will be the final reviewers of their respective documents. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and click send. And we're taken to a quick modal to confirm our selection. Yep, everything looks in order. Let's go ahead and send the document. So the document's been sent, or at least the job to generate the documents is kicked off. So we can track the sending status within the job log under activities here. Let me just refresh my screen. We can see here that the documents have already been sent. In our case, we can see Janine Becky. This document has been sent to her approver, Christine Sinclair, and similarly, Bella Bixby's first approver is Christine Sinclair as well. Now, let's go ahead and log in as Christine Sinclair. All right, so we're logged in as Christine Sinclair. Christine Sinclair can access the documents that are ready for her review by looking under My Pay, My Documents, and checking out the documents in progress. We can see the 2 documents that we had sent just now. Another way for Christine to access these documents is via the email that was sent. So we can see that Christine Sinclair was sent an email saying Solutions Engineer Plan ready for review. This is our custom email subject. And she's prompted to view the document over here. Clicking on this link will take her to the documents that are ready for her review. Okay, so here we can see the document outline here along with the easy page navigation pane. We also on the top bar have 3 buttons, a back button, a decline button, and approve. The back button takes us back to our original documents in progress. Let's go back in here. The decline button allows Christine to decline the document and specify a reason. And hit decline. And then the document will be marked as declined and the workflow terminated, or she can go ahead and approve. So let's go ahead and approve. You have to click the checkbox and hit approve. You can see that Christine Sinclair has approved her first document. Let's go ahead and approve the second document as well. There we go. All right, so we're logged back into the admin experience. We're in our Manage Documents page. Let me just go ahead and filter these documents so that we can quickly see the documents that we had sent today. So these are the 2 documents we had sent today. I had gone ahead and logged in as Bella Bixby and had marked the document as approved. So we can see that this document is fully complete. Janine Becky's document is still in progress and waiting on her approval. So let's go ahead and drill into Bella Bixby's document really quickly. You can see the right-hand pane details on the document send and approvals workflow. So we can see that I had sent it earlier with the document going to the manager first, so Christine Sinclair first, followed by Bella Bixby. We can see that Christine Sinclair approved the document, as well as the date and timestamp she approved it in, and then Bella Bixby approved this subsequently, and the document was marked as complete. In this screen, the admin can also recall a document, so if this document was sent in error and needs to be resent, we can recall this document and then proceed to do another sending flow if we wanted to. Also, the admin can download the document as a PDF, or the download activity. So the admin can download the activity in the document as a PDF as well. So we're going to back here, and we can see that Janine Becky's document is still in progress. So let's just quickly drill in here. We can see that her document was also sent by me and has been approved by Christine Sinclair and is pending on her approval. Let's go ahead and back here. So just a quick recap of what we've covered. In this walkthrough, we've created a template, mapped data to this template, use this template to send documents on a 2-step approvals flow where we send to the manager first and then to the plan participant. And we've also logged in as a Pay Experience user and approved the document there as well.